Good morning, students. This is Amit Daya. I welcome you all in Master Amit Daya classes. So, today's topic we are going to do exercise 6.4, almost all questions. So, please do well and be concentrated for this video. Let us move ahead for the first question. I would like to share an information that you have to do before going to start exercise 6.4. This is we have to know about all the theorems and criteria that given before 6.4 exercise. What are those? In the last video we did that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides, and we used similarity criteria, angle angle, angle angle, side 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 similarity criteria, and side angle side similarity criteria. So please remember all these criterias and theorems. Recall once time before going to start 6.4. This very important questions are there. 2 to 3 questions are there that are very important as per the exam point of view. So let us start. The first I am going to remind you that we know that ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the square of ratio of sides of the corresponding sides of the triangles. So it means area of ABC upon area of DEF is equal to AB upon DE ka whole square, BC upon EF whole square, AC upon DF whole square. So exercise 6.4, second question. That first question based depend upon this. There are four part: area of triangle ABC, area of triangle DEF, AB and DE. Out of these four elements, three are given. You have to find out fourth one. So question number two given that ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC, and then you have to prove that area of AOB upon area of COD is equal to what? And it is also given that AB is 2 times of CD. AB is 2 times of CD. So think what you have to think here. These two triangles areas ratio, and we did it ki two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the square of their corresponding side. So first thing is, are these triangles similar? अभी तक मेरे पास कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. Now you have to think that can you make these two triangles similar? If how, then try to make them similar. How? In triangle AOB and triangle COD, there are two triangle AOB and COD. Now think about all three similarity criteria, that angle similarity criterion, side similarity criterion, side angle side similarity criterion. तो कहने का मतलब ये क्या इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स में मैं कोई 2 एंगल 3 एंगल्स या साइड एंगल साइड रूल्स लगा सकता हूँ? नहीं. सो थिंक कि इफ़ कैसे नहीं समझ में आए तो गिवन से चले. गिवन क्या है? ABCD इज ए ट्रेपेजियम एंड AB पैरेलल टू DC. तो AB पैरेलल टू DC से क्या? AB पैरेलल DC से क्या? AB parallel to DC is, it means we can say that DB is a line that is transversal, and transversal line is there, then alternate interior angles are equal. तो एंगल ओ डी सी, this angle equals to OBA, this angle, and angle this AOB is equal to angle COD. Why? Because they are vertical opposite angles. If vertical opposite angles are equal and alternate interior angles are equal, then in these two triangles, two angles are equal, then angle similarity criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding side, AB upon CD का whole square. What is AB here? AB is 2 times of CD, so 2 times of CD upon CD, we can 2 CDs cancel out with CD, 4 square is equal to 4:1. So ratio of this area of these two triangles is equal to 4:1. I hope you understood this question. Next question, very good question is this. ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. There are two triangles ABC and DBC which are lies on the same base BC. Prove that area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DBC is equal to OA upon OD. So first ये रेशियो की बात कर रहा है, रेशियो मतलब मुझे सिमिलर प्रूव करना है। सिमिलर प्रूव करेंगे तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए बी सी को डी बी सी के सिमिलर कैसे प्रूव कर सकता हूँ? ए बी सी एंड डी बी सी को सिमिलर प्रूव करना है ट्रायंगल ए बी सी के। हाउ? मेरे पास 3 रूल, साइड साइड साइड, एंगल 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 एंड साइड एंगल साइड कौन सिमिलरिटी क्राइटेरियन. So apply these all 3 rules on these 2 triangles, but we are not able to apply. There is no angle, no side ratio is given. So how? What? Then what? So how you are going to think? If you are not able to do or apply some given concept on the questions, it means we have to construct something. So construction is that, construction idea क्या है कि हम क्या करें? The construction idea comes from that कि area of triangle ABC is given and area of the triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Half base we can take BC and height is not there, so construct height of perpendicular. So we draw a perpendicular AE on the side BC, and from DF is a perpendicular from D on the side BC. What we did? We construct two perpendicular from the vertex A to side BC, that AE perpendicular to BC and DF perpendicular to BC, DF perpendicular to BC. Now there are ratio right here, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC, that equals to half into base into perpendicular, that is AE withdrawn, half into base BC into DF that withdrawn, half is cancel out half and BC is cancel out BC, then AE upon DF. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AE upon DF. But what I have to prove? I have to prove that OA upon में OD. It means that AE upon DF must be equal to OA upon OD. Then we are able to prove that question. Now think how this AE upon DF is equal to OA upon OD. नाउ क्या सोचना आपने? AE अपॉन DF इज इक्वल टू OA अपॉन OD को हम दोनों को इक्वल कैसे बनाएं? सो ये दोनों रेशियो इक्वल कब हो सकते हैं? जब इन दोनों से बनने वाले ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हो जाएं। सिमिलर होंगी तो साइड्स का रेशियो भी इक्वल होगा. सो ट्राई टू मेक एन ट्रायंगल. सो ट्रायंगल्स AE एंड OA. नाउ OA and AE, there are triangles, so that two sides forms a triangle AEO या AOE. Similarly DOF, there are two triangles AOE and DOF. Are you able to make them congruent or similar? Similar. So angle 1 and 2 are the vertical opposite angles, and angle E and F are the 90-degree angles. So in a two triangles, two corresponding angles are equal, then triangles are similar. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertical opposite angle E is equal to angle F is equal to 90 degree. That construction, so we can say that triangle AOE similar to triangle DOF. Why? Because angle similarity criterion. So if these two triangles are similar, then AE upon DF is equal to OA upon OD. So AE upon DF is equal to OA upon OD. Then in place of AE upon DF put OA upon OD. Hence we prove the questions. Next question, question number 4. Area of two similar triangles are equal, then prove that they are congruent. वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. कहा गया है कि अगर दो ट्रायंगल्स का एरिया, सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स का एरिया इक्वल है तो प्रूव करो कि वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. What is given here? Given is triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. That is given, and triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. And we know that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF to ratio of two similar triangle area of two similar triangles is equal to AB upon DE whole square is equal to BC upon EF whole square is equal to AC upon DF whole square. Now area of ABC and DBC both are equal, so in place of DEF we can write here ABC, area of ABC upon area of ABC is equal to 1 by 1. So ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to 1. So that must be equal to AB upon D whole square. So we put that is equal to 1, and taking under root both side, AB upon D is equal to 1 and AB is equal to DE. Now the side AB of the triangle ABC is equal to the side DE of the triangle DEF. Similarly, we can prove that side BC of triangle ABC is equal to side EF and AC is equal to DF. If in these two triangles ABC and DEF, AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF and AC is equal to DF, then if all three sides are equal to the corresponding all three sides of the other triangles, then the triangles are congruent by side congruence rule. So triangle ABC and DEF congruent by side congruence rule. Hence proved. Now question number 5, very important question. DEF, DE and F are the midpoint of the side AB, BC and AC respectively. Then prove that area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC, या ratio of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is what? Now are you able to prove ABC triangle and DEF triangle similar? Then we can find out their areas ratio. Think how you can prove this. So very good question. You have to apply here what is given is DE and F are the midpoints of the side AB, BC and AC respectively. So what इस मिड पॉइंट से क्या होता है? मिड पॉइंट से यू हैव टू थिंक दैट कि हमने 9th क्लास में थ्योरम की थी मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम दैट a line segment that join the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle. I am repeating again, a line segment that joining the midpoint of two lines or two sides of a triangle, then that is equals to half of the third side and parallel to the third side. तो अगर D एंड F आर द मिड पॉइंट और D एंड F को ज्वाइन करने वाला लाइन सेगमेंट DF इज देयर एंड दैट DF लाइन सेगमेंट इज पैरेलल टू DC एंड DF इज हाफ ऑफ BC. इफ DF इज पैरेलल टू BC एंड DF इज हाफ ऑफ BC, तो DF पैरेलल टू BE एंड DF पैरेलल टू EC, DF पैरेलल टू BE, DF पैरेलल टू EC एंड DF is equal to half of BC means BE, half of BC means EC. तो DF is equal to BE and DF is equal to EC. It means in अब हमारे पास क्या है DF parallel to BE DF equal to BE, तो DF parallel and equal of one side. Then in ninth class theorem, if one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. That is 8.6 or 8.8 theorem. So in a quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. Then DFEB is a parallelogram. Similarly, DFECE is a parallelogram. DFEB is a parallelogram. DFECE is a parallelogram. If DFEB is a parallelogram, then a parallelogram properties you have to remember: opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal, then angle P equals to angle F, and similarly angle C equal to angle D. So two angles are equal in triangle ABC and EFD. Angle B is equal to angle F, angle C is equal to angle D, then triangle ABC similar triangle EFD by angle similarity criterion. So ratio of area of triangle EFD upon area of triangle ABC is equal to EF upon AB whole square, and EF is equal to half of AB, or AB can be written as 2 times of EF. That EF is cancelled out with EF, then 1/4, 1/4 is the answer. Very good question. Thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again. Stay at your home, wash your hand regularly, and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.